Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide chat from Messenger inbox. To do this, first we'll have to go to your Messenger. Before we begin, I would like to let you know that there is no particular way to hide your chat. You can go to your chat that you want to hide, and then you can click on the person's profile at the top left corner and then check. However, there is no specific way you can particularly hide a chat. Nevertheless, you can archive your chats on Messenger, which will, in a way, hide it from your inbox list. Now, to do that, you may go to your inbox list page, then you can choose the chat you would like to hide or archive, then you may slide left to that chat. This will simply show you an option of two buttons, where a gray one shows the more option and the purple one gives the archive option. Now to archive your chat, you will have to tap on the archive option in purple. This will simply archive your chat. Here, as you can see on screen, you cannot see your chat under the inbox list. Now, to look at your chat, you will have to click on the three lines at the top left corner. Then, a bar opens up. At the end, you can see the archive option. Tap on the archive option, and here, under archive list, you can see your chat. This is how you can hide chat from Messenger inbox. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.